Today we're going to change the light bulbs in a 2011 Ford Fusion. First we're going to start with the passenger side by removing this bolt and this bolt. They're 10 millimeter, and we're going to move this out of the way. The headlight is right under here. Next, you're going to want to pull this hose up and over here. And you'll pull this up. And you're going to move it around in here a little bit and try to get it to where you need it to be, and it'll sit right up on top of here. I kind of finesse this thing to get it into this position here. And if you notice the headlight is right there. Little black piece right there, that's the headlight. We'll remove that rubber grommet. After removing the rubber grommet, you're going to take the light out of the housing assembly by rotating it counterclockwise. You can see the light bulb is a little blue piece there. Then there's a clip on each side of the light bulb right here. You just pick that up and slide the light bulb out. I found that if you get a screwdriver right in the edge right here, between this and the clip, you can unclip it. Be careful not to break them off, and remember, don't touch the light bulb. Here's the light bulb, and again, these two clips on the side hold on to these two little clips right here, one on this side and one on this side. Here we got the passenger side light in. You can see how bright it is, and there's the regular bulb. A little different on the driver's side. You got to remove this clip right here, and then there's a clip right here, and then this whole plastic piece here comes out, which allows you tight access to the bulb, which is right here. Now we can remove the rubber seal to the back of the light, and you can take the bulb out by turning it counterclockwise and then replacing the bulb by inserting it and moving it clockwise. Once the bulb is replaced, you can reinsert the light bulb seal. Make sure that it's on all the way around and closed up properly. And then we'll reinsert this rubber shield by sliding it into the clip and connecting the clip on this end here. Make sure this is sealed all the way in. And this is what the final results look like using LED lights. They're much whiter and much brighter.